When the temperature gauge reaches the desired cooking temperature, reduce the airflow by adjusting the dual-function metal top and the patented stainless steel draft door. Small adjustments may be made later if necessary to fine-tune the temperature. The greater the opening, the higher the temperature. The secret to extraordinary food cooked on the Big Green Egg centers around heat retention, air circulation, and temperature control. The dome should be closed while cooking to allow the heat to radiate inside of the egg. When you are finished cooking, simply replace the dual-function metal top with the ceramic damper lid and close the patented stainless steel draft door. The fire will soon extinguish and the Big Green Egg will begin to cool. Because of the thick ceramic walls of the egg, it may take a while to cool. Remember, this works well for keeping foods warm. Please note, if you've been cooking at temperatures above 300, be very careful when opening the dome. First, raise the dome an inch or two to pause and burp it before raising the dome completely. This will allow the sudden rush of oxygen to burn safely inside the egg, and not as a flashback which could startle you and possibly cause injury.